What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Pembe here with Fantasyland, bringing you your Yahoo MLB DFS Heart of the Order. Going to bring you some core plays to build your DFS lineups around for today. Let's kick it off at the starting pitcher position. We're going to go with Blake Snell here, $45, going up against the Arizona Diamondbacks. Yes, the Diamondbacks did get to Yu Darvish yesterday, but we still find San Diego to be a minus 220 favorite today, second biggest on the board. And I'm really liking Blake Snell in this spot. He's coming off a fantastic spring training, which he struck out 13 over 14 in the third innings, while not allowing a single earned run over that stretch. Sure, I understand spring training isn't always an indicator of what will happen during the regular season, but we know Snell is a lead pitcher. He's looking healthy, looking great, and I think he can get to this Diamondbacks lineup. I also like strikeout potential here. We saw Diamondbacks strike out 12 times yesterday. Darvish had 6 strikeouts in just 4 2/3 before getting the hook, so some good opportunity there for Snell to rack up some points. Going over to the hitters here, we're going to go with rookie prospect Andrew Vaughn. Vaughn was not in the lineup yesterday for the White Sox, but is expected to debut tonight. He's just $12, getting Southpaw Andrew Heaney. Vaughn, one of the top prospects in baseball, number 21 by Baseball America, coming into the season. We love that home run upside. Last year, we saw Andrew Heaney tend to struggle with the long ball last couple full seasons. And in the spring, he had a 7.41 ERA, was not pitching well. And he's cheap. Andrew Vaughn, just $12, like I mentioned. We love that home run potential for GPPs. He hits one home run. He's already paying off his value. And if you want to go back to some minor league stats there, last full season, Vaughn played 2019. He had a 941 OPS against left-handed pitchers. Let's head on over to San Diego, where we have outfielder Tommy Pham sitting nicely at that $14 range today, going up against Diamondback starter Merrill Kelly. As I mentioned earlier, Padres are big favorites today, but their offense is a team implied run total of 4.52. Pham hitting at the top of that lineup puts him in a good spot to score runs. Got top bats such as Fernando Tatis, Manny Machado, Will Myers, all hitting behind him. And Tommy Pham can also steal the occasional bag, which is nice bonus as well. Diamondback starter Merrill Kelly is a reverse splits pitcher. Right-handed hitters have much more success than left-handed hitters. If you look at last season's stats, we see right-handed hitters hitting almost 100 points better than lefties. Bodes well up of that order. And we'll finish this off getting you that Coors Field exposure. Again, going to find you a nice mid-tier play here. Gavin Lux made the video yesterday, went 2 for 4 with an RBI, paid off the price tag. He's $16 today against Antonio Senzatella. Senzatella is just not a good pitcher, not great at Coors. He's a pitch-to-contact guy, which is never what you want in Coors Field. The Dodgers have a team-high 6.5 implied run total for today. Game-high 11 total runs are expected to be scored in this matchup today, so all signs point to Dodgers. Gavin Lux hitting in the middle to back end of that lineup today. Good value. Should be plenty of runs scored. Let's get him back in there. That wraps up today's Heart of the Order. Good luck, everybody. Let's go win some money.